Good evening, Professor. We are Group 6, and my name is Salil Rajadhyaksha. So, I will be first talking about the value SSN data type that I have created, and then Vishal will take over and talk about the other data type, the other enhancement that we made, that is the full outer join. I have just started the database in embedded mode. So, what I will do is first I will go to the console and start creating a new table. So it's create table temp uh, name varchar. So SSN or SSN. So this is the SSN data type that we have, and so this is the other data type that we've created, which is the secure data type, which only displays the last 4 characters. So I will just go ahead and run this command now, and as we can see, the table just got created. So I will now attempt to insert values into this table. So the command that I will be writing is insert into temp name comma a ssn comma b ssn values abc 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So as we can see, since the number of characters that we had were less than 9, both these data types threw an error saying that it's an invalid SSN. Now I'll attempt to put in a character that's not a digit, and it will still throw an error. Uh, Here it says that only digits are allowed. So, and now what I will do is just go ahead and add a valid SSN. So both these fields, essentially the second and the third column, are the SSN values. It's just that one of them will display just the last 4 numbers. So here the value got inserted into the table, and now I'll attempt to retrieve it. So as we can see, the column that I just in the tuple that I just inserted into database got retrieved, and they were displayed as 2 separate columns, ASSN and BSSN. So in ASSN we have, which is a normal SSN data type, we have all the fields getting displayed, whereas BSSN was a secure SSN data type, so only the last 4 characters got displayed. So now my partner Vishal will take over, and he will talk briefly about the full outer join.
Oh, I have not dropped code. Just give me a minute. Okay, now I will again create both the tables. As you can see, both the tables have been created. Over here, if you notice, the course ID of table student will be connected to uh, the course ID of the course table. So next I will now insert values in both the tables. Okay, now here if you notice, the course ID of Vishal, that is course ID number 32, 34, and only these two exist in the table of course, which is a table student, while in the table course, the course ID number 36 does not exist. So I will run this command, and I've inserted all the values. Now what will happen is when I run the full outer join, the values which are not included in either of the tables will happen to be null, while it will at the same time it will include both the tables, all the values, and all the unmatching tuples will come back as null. Well, if you notice here, Salil has null, Ankit has null, because these two course IDs were not included in the course ID. So that's all I will want to be presenting in for my demo. Thanks a lot, Professor.